Hello and welcome to another episode of Bolts and Boost, everybody. So as you know and are aware, I'm sure, especially if you're in Canada, we have our Canada Post, our main federal postage, the main vein for sending stuff abroad, is striking. And because of that, I missed out on pretty much most of all the Black Friday deals that I could get for the Lightning, which sucks, but what do you do? Thankfully, I do have something in, and it's from Canada, and you guys might be aware of them if you follow the channel. My friends over at NPboosted sent me some pretty big, girthy coil packs for the Lightning, and these are supposed to be high performance. So that's one of them right there with a high temp boot. I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to compare them with the stock ones. As you guys know, a lot of people, I guess, chirp aftermarket coil pack companies. I have ran these coil packs on pretty much all of my vehicles, including my 800, 900 horsepower Supra. And I've gotten them for friends that have 1,000 horsepower plus Supras. No one has had issues in my circle. I have heard of issues with them, but I think it's with anything. And with that, Grant, the owner, stands behind everything so good. It's so seamless. It's so flawless. If you have an issue with these, he will send you new ones. Like, it's seriously the easiest carefree transaction I've had to deal with, really, in a long time, if they ever go bad, which again, they haven't went bad for me. In one video I said, for my Supra, I think I just saw like very, very hairline cracks in two of them, and Grant sent me a full set like right away. So again, NPboosted coil packs, they're awesome. I run them all the time, and I'm gonna go grab an OEM one just to show you guys the difference. It's actually crazy. I don't even know if they're gonna fit properly. I test fitted one and it fits, but it fits pretty snug, and it's in the very front hole. I would love to buy OEM coil packs. They're way tinier. However, they are like $800 for a full set, and I already did that with all of the brand new injectors there, all the brand new Bosch, I think they are, injectors. So what I spent on Black Friday was oil, because oil was 50% off. So I got some for my daily truck, my F-150, and then I got 10 liters of Castrol, two of these. They were 50% off for the ISF. The ISF should be here any time. So I'm getting ready, thankfully. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys the difference of these coil packs. All right, so here they are. You can tell right off the bat that it is much larger. I'll do this here. So when I was talking to Grant, I told him my plans with the truck, and he told me that he actually had like a high performance version of this coil pack. So I imagine he has the OEM ones, the OEM dimensions, but he said this one was better for high performance. So if you guys need coil packs for pretty much anything out there, and if he doesn't have them, inquire about them. I already asked him for the ISF, and it's not listed on his website, but he does have them. But there's a 10% off coupon code that you can use, and he said it's been used a lot from my channel and my viewers, so that's awesome. Thank you guys, and I'm happy to pass along the savings. If you use my code on his site, NPboosted.com, I do believe, just use my name, Bolts-in-Boost, Bolts-in, as in just the letter, boost, and it'll save you 10%. So I'm going to go install all of these guys, plug in all of the harness, and just get everything ready to go. Again, I'm just waiting on one measly part, and that part is, all the performance stuff I'm waiting on. But this is the last part that I'm waiting on to totally assemble everything. and it's just the heater core restrictor. I bought new ones. And because that one was deteriorating a bit. So anyway, let's get to it. All right, so I'm on the last one here, and of course I'm putting some dielectric grease in the silicone boot, and I'm also putting my super lube on it on the boot, just because this will help prevent the boot from sticking in there. These are high temp, and that's all you need. You literally need just like a dab on the collar here, and then I just comb it onto or spread it onto the rest of the boot there. And then it's ready for install. So I'm gonna go install this last one and then show you guys what it looks like. One more thing, guys, do not forget the coupon code BOLTSNBOOST. It'll save you 10% at NPboosted. Go check it out. All right, so they're all in there. The big boys, I'm gonna call them, because they are huge. That back corner one does not fit. I mean, fits. But getting it in and out of there is a little bit of a challenge. You are going to have to take the wiring harness bracket loom off and take it out this way in front of this fuel pressure regulator. And then if we go to the left side, that one down there was making contact. Looks like it is making contact, but it's not preventing it from being tightened. So I had to watch that as I was tightening it. I just had to turn it so it would basically tighten beside the snout of this pipe on the intake manifold, or the intake manifold. But other than that, it's fine. Obviously the boots will move with the coil pack, and the like everything's flexible in there to some degree. Obviously you don't want to crank at 180, but that's not what's happening there. It looks like it's off by 15 degrees or so versus the other ones. But like, look at these guys, they're just massive. So, I mean, looks are not everything, but they are physically larger than the OEM ones. So I'm hoping that you know, they are going to add a little bit of an upgrade there. So that's awesome. Everything's ready to go, plug and play. I'm going to start plugging everything in. I am going to order the I don't even know what quote unquote stage is. I hate talking stages, but I have a number 2 lower pulley coming, sitting in a cart, sorry. And the tuner and the tune and some other neat little surprises. So yeah, that's where we're at. Sorry I can't give you guys more of an update. I'm just sitting here waiting on parts. I honestly thought this would be done already. If Canada Post got their poop in a group, I would totally be done this thing already, and probably be starting it soon. So those are the new coil packs. They look great. I want to add, they're just massive. Like, look at those guys. They are huge. I know a lot of people are, you know, Motorcraft or nothing, and I get it. I really do. If I didn't have such a good run with these coil packs, making the power I have previously and having such a good luck with them and the support from NPboosted, I would have went Motorcraft as well, but it's nice. The price on these are around $200, I want to say, Canadian, shipped. So like, it's a really good deal. It might be a little bit more than that, but still, if you're paying USD, you're paying like, you know, 60% of that. So very, very good value. Even if you don't use the coil packs, the high temp boots are like almost the same price. When I was going to order all the boots from Rock Auto, I can't remember what they were. I'm just going to throw a number out there, like $20 Canadian each. So I got coil packs for the same price as boots. So very, very high value there. Ready to start plugging everything in. She's coming along, chugging along. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to, you know, stay on top of all the videos coming your way with this thing. I honestly can't wait. I love this truck, so it's going to be in my possession for quite a long time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you have an awesome week ahead of you, and check out other videos on the channel. All right, everybody, peace.